What is up, guys? Welcome back to our video. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a admin commands inside of Roblox Studio. So to get started, go on ahead inside of server script service and add a script. So you can rename the script whatever you want. I'm going to name mine admin commands just to make it, simpler. Right, now to go on ahead, go in the description of the video, there's going to be the spaceman link. Go on ahead, click on it and get the script. Paste it in here. This is what it should look like. Now I already pre-made one for you. Kick a player. So basically how it works is you go in the chat and then you type this in. You can change this. You can do whatever you want with it. And then you type your name, or the owner. So only this person can use the script. Okay? So whoever you want to use the script, put their name in there. And then over here is the reason why they were kicked. So I just put, you've broken the terms of this game, with a smiley face. You can put whatever you want, work just fine. So what you actually want to do is you're going to go inside replicated storage, and you want to just put a remote event in there. So just put that in there. You don't need to name it, just leave it as remote event, and it will fire. So don't gotta worry about anything else. Now you should go ahead and click /kick, and then put the player's name. Oh, there we go. I've been kicked for the game, and then it tells me the reason. You've broken the terms of this game. Okay, so now it kicks me out. So yeah, guys, that is basically how you kick somebody inside of your Roblox game. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and tell me what you want to see in my next video, because I'm running out of ideas.